I want to let you guys know, first of all, you need to start following me. Okay. You need to start following me because I'm showing you guys how you can make money online. I'm just an average girl that decided enough was enough, and I was sick and tired of being on that damn hamster wheel. Okay. I was sick and tired of not having the extra money to do the fun things that I wanted to do. And I was living paycheck to paycheck. So I had to figure out how to make money online. And guys, I did it. And I have an amazing course that has so much value and provides simple step by steps, little training modules that will teach you what I know. This is amazing. It's totally life-changing. It does take time and it does take work. You got to do the action. But it's so amazing that I have so much to share with you guys in the future. And that's why I want you guys to start following me if you're not, and continue to follow me, because I have added multiple streams of income. And that's the whole point to this is learning and adding multiple streams of income. I don't even know that number anymore because I do coaching now. I build out sales funnels. I'm an affiliate, senior affiliate for Stan Store that's going to bring me extra income. I do the email marketing. The email marketing just is exploding. And I do the referral program, which I get 100% of the commission. And of course, I market the course. But all this stuff that I'm saying to you guys, you can do it too. You can do it too. That's all you have to do is take action, show up every day and be consistent, make these videos, post them 3 or 4 times a day, and just keep doing it. It does take time. It may take you 30 days, 60 days, 90 days to get that traction. But I can tell you that this course has everything you need to know to start and be successful. So guys, if you are wanting more information, that's all you have to do is go over to my Stan Store, check it out. Just check it out, guys. Make sure you're definitely following me. Go through my videos. I have a ton of information in there on how to make money online. And if you're interested in something, let me know. If you want to chat, let me know. But yeah, guys, this is amazing. And I'm truly honored that you guys are here watching my journey. And I would love to watch yours too.